Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know we out here. Oh, man, it's been a crazy week in the market, man. A lot of movements. Today, and actually this week, been a great swing week for swing traders. If you're the type of trader that holds trade for days or a week, this was your week. So let's look at the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones rallied up. So today is Friday, and there was news for NFP, and based on the reports, the economy's doing well, just like you know more jobs out, so the numbers are getting pretty good, and people are going back to work despite this crisis that's going on. So it's affecting the economy in a good way because now Dow's going up. And as you look at the news, check it out. Let's look at the news. Dow futures surged 70 points as May job report shows mind-blowing 2.5 million increase in payrolls and unemployment falls. So that's why the Dow Jones went up. And now let's look at the chart. So this is the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, it just kept going up. This was crazy. I didn't think it was going to do this well, like the economy, due to the unemployment, due to the protest thing, the looting that's happening right now in the U.S. So I thought, okay, this is going to affect businesses, but clearly people are preparing to get back to work. There's more jobs being created, and it's been going up this whole week, straight uptrend. And obviously today, it's slowly trying to chase a little bit for the 4-hour, but overall it just rallied up this whole week. Just rallied up. It's crazy. So if you're looking to swing trade, this was the ultimate swing trade week. You can see the pair just straight climb. And now, if you also look at gold, gold had crazy movements as well. It just dropped. So gold is usually a safe haven. Right now, we're in June, and the first week of June, gold is just dropping. So if you look at the hour chart, or you could say 4-hour chart, we could see this big drop from gold. It rallied up and then shot back down. So the market's been bearish for gold. We broke this support today, and it looks like going to next week potentially might be a downtrend. But again, this week was definitely a nice swing week if you were to trade gold. And for AUDUSD, this period just went up all week long. Look at this rise. That's crazy. This is like an ultimate swing trade. So for my swing traders, they definitely profited well off this. And there's a lot of breakouts. So sometimes you could draw a trend line, but it won't like come back to the trend line because breakouts. So you got to learn to trade breakouts. And now we're just playing around up here. And then for GBPUSD, many people didn't expect this pair to keep rising like it did, but as you can see, it was like respecting this from a little bit last week, and then it just straight shot up, bam, bam. So this pair definitely broke structure and had a lot of breakouts this week for overall uptrend. And let's go to the daily. Let's see how the daily looking like for GBPUSD. Oh man, you can see like this all happened in March during like the corona, and we just broke through this consolidation area, as you can see, and now we're testing this area for potentially go up higher. So this month of June, I'm seeing more bullish movements for the pair of the pound. And it's like the weekly chart. Obviously, we closed out with a strong bullish candle. And now for GBPUSD, this pair went up a lot this week. Look at that. Straight rise, a lot of breakouts. Oh, man. It was beautiful for swing traders. And let's go to the daily so we see what's going on a daily basis. So look at that. We shot up. We're potentially trying to like maybe go up to here. So you can see the market testing this area right now, this previous resistance area. So that's where we're at right now. We're testing this previous support that's also become resistance right now. And then let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, let's go to 4-hour chart. As you see, Bitcoin rose up, then dropped down. So it created a crazy spike up, then dropped back down. But overall, this week, it went up and then going back down. So Bitcoin, not a crazy move. Let's look at the calendar this week. So this week, we start off slow with some big holidays, Sunday and Monday, but that didn't stop the market for keep going up. We had this ISM manufacturing PMI that helped push the market. These news events for AUD, like hash rates, RBA rate statement, push the market. And then Tuesday, we had GDP, Q&Q, push the market. Wednesday, we had a lot of movements due to like the Canadian dollar news, G7 meetings. That's all day to help push the market up. And then Thursday, the main refinancing rate was crucial in moving the pairs. So this created a lot of movements during the beginning of, you could say, New York session, during the session changeover. And then we got Friday, which is NFP. So NFP usually be way more movements, but it wasn't as crazy as the past. But overall, the market's been crazy, going in one direction all week long for ultimate swings. And it played out. So if you're focusing on the buy this whole week for the AUD or the GBP pairs, you was lucky because you kind of held it. And if you're a green trader, you kind of been lucky and caught so much pips. So that's pretty much the recap of this week. So going to next week, probably looking like a potential swing week as well. So I potentially might be holding trades longer because lately the market for the month of June is just going one steady direction. And we'll see what happens with this, upcoming week because there's new events right now. Economy is getting better, which is a good thing for the markets and people who buying stocks. Stocks are going up. So yeah, so that's a little recap of what's been happening. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll continue to try to make more analysis to help other people out who are like new or trying to like understand how to trade. And that pretty much sums up everything. So take care, everybody.